Hello everyone, this is CA Satyamurthy Ramanujam welcoming you to Nifty Profits YouTube channel. Today I am analyzing one of the large cap stocks listed in the Nifty 50 index. It's a very old stock with a long listing history trading in the Indian stock exchanges, and it's a very respected company, Larsen and Tobro. This is one of the few companies listed in the stock market which has got no promoter. Can you believe it? It's absolutely professionally managed company. If you look at Reliance, Ambanis are the promoters. If you look at Adani Group stocks, Adanis are the promoter. If you look at Tata Group stocks, the Tatas or the Tata holding company, Tata Sons, is the promoter for Tata Group companies. If you take Infosys, we know that those seven technocrats who were the promoters of Infosys, and many of them still hold the stake in the company. But for Larsen and Tobro, there is no particular group which is a promoter. It is owned by a lot of institutions and some investment companies and foreign institutional investors are holding stock. Okay, that said about the background of the company, let us see what L&T has got in store. It is a consistent performer in terms of fundamentals. Now, we are only looking at technical levels. I am right now looking at its 1 hour chart, and I am seeing here a congestion zone between 1610 to 1625. We are looking at for a short term move in Larsen and Toubro. Of course, as a long term investment, it's a great stock. It can be entered at any time because it's only one way the stock generally moves over a long period of time, that is on the upside, and it's a fantastic company that pays good dividends to shareholders. Look at it, 18 rupees dividend the company has paid for the last year on 28th July 2021. It was a record date, and the amount was paid out on 21st August 2021. I would like to inform you that I am also a shareholder of Larsen and Toubro as part of my portfolio. Say, okay, getting back, you see here Larsen and Toubro has been having a great support around 1565 level, which was its peak sometime in June 2021, and that is the level it kept on coming back from. That was basically was a resistance. Then with one single large bar it moved up out of this range and has now started trading at a new range. Okay, at the lowest level the range is at around 1575, that previous resistance level. At the highest it used to react at around 1645, though it crossed one time even above that level towards 1670. So now it is once again it made a low towards 1575 and is coming back. Now in the coming days, if the stock moves above this small congestion zone of 1610 to 1625 levels, one can expect the stock to again move towards 1670, and if it again gets into a new orbit crossing this 1680 hurdle from where it had reacted previously, it can move towards 1770. That is 100 points up move possible from 1675 to 80 levels. I hope you like this analysis. If you are a conservative investor and you look for stable gains over a period of 3 to 6 months, this is an excellent stock to buy because your downside is limited. The stop loss can be kept below 1575, and one can look for an up move of up to about 140 points once it moves beyond 1630 and crosses this hurdle of 1678. All the very best. I hope you enjoyed the commentary on this stock. And please like, share, and subscribe to Nifty Profits channel. Thank you very much. Wish you a great day ahead.